Hi, I'm Daniel, founder of Passeriq. Let's open the app and see what it does. Passeriq helps you to sell products more effectively by using customer reviews to show what buyers care about most. It identifies who the product is best suited for, what customers praise, what problems they mention, and what you can improve on the product page to make the product more convincing. Okay, let's go ahead and install it. There it requests the usual permissions. And there we go, the app is installed and we are seeing the onboarding page. Before we proceed with onboarding, I wanted to quickly mention that the app is currently integrates with the Judge Me Reviews provider. So you need to have Judge Me installed and you have to have products already reviewed by the customer. So technically at least one product need to be in your store that is already reviewed by the customer using the Judge Me Reviews. So let me show you how the store looks just for a quick example. So let's open just a sample store with the snowboards. Let's open one of the snowboards and see there's like 7 reviews on this one already. This kind of reviews the customers are leaving when they buying the product and leaving their feedback in this way. There is another product here as well, has 3 reviews. So in a similar manner, 3 reviews here, and that is enough to demo how the app is working and what kind of benefits are you getting. So let's get back to the store and proceed to the onboarding. As you can see, the onboarding consists of the 3 simple steps. First, what you have to do is to connect your reviews to the reviews provider, which in this case is just Judge Me Reviews. So just let's click connect to Judge Me, and there you see the authorization, the Judge Me authorization page. Just click authorize. Wait a second, and that's it. You returned to the onboarding page and the step 1 is completed. You already connected to Judge Me. Then sync your products. So basically when you're clicking sync products here, the products that have reviews in your store are synced into the app. And now let's start the subscription. The subscription here is the free founder plan. Let's select it. It's completely free for the first 20 customers. So we approve that. And there we go. We are landing on the home page. The home page is fairly basic. At the top we can see the progress bar, which is the monthly analysis usage. It has the analysis usage information, and also it shows what type of subscriptions you currently subscribe to, which is founder. You have 3 options from this page. We can go and analyze our products. We can view the previous analysis history, or we can go through the settings. Let's jump in straight into the analysis. So here are the 2 products that we previously seen on in our store. One of them has 3 reviews and 7 reviews. Everything is as expected. We can search for the products here, like say location. You see only this guy with location is left, and then you can see your store has 2 products with customer reviews, and that's true. When you have more products reviewed by customers and you want them to appear here, you just click sync products, and they will instantly come up. They will instantly be, added into your app. So, and you will see the time updating here. Okay, let's not wait any longer and just try and analyze one of the products and see what kind of benefits you're getting with this. Usually it takes between 20 to 30 seconds to analyze a product. That's it, analysis is complete. The product is marked as analyzed. You can see the green background, and now just click the view analysis. And here is the report that Passeriq is creating for you. So what kind of valuable data you have? In the first section right here, you can see inferred buyer personas. These are the most likely customers that will buy your product. And here is the quick summary for you of what this product represents. It very quickly summarizing for you the information displayed on this report. Here you have the sentiment. Sentiment score is basically the summary of the emotional feelings of the buyers. This is somewhat different from the review rating breakdown, where the review rating breakdown is simply a raw calculations of the scores that the customers have left. But the sentiment is basically the analysis of the actual comments and how emotional in a positive or in a negative way the customer expresses their feelings about the product. Here you can see the analysis confidence score as well, which could be low, medium or high. And no surprise it is low here because the window is just 1 day. So all 7 reviews were left within 1 day. So imagine how much better this could be if you have 50 reviews, 100 reviews, maybe sometimes 1,000 reviews. And if this would be accumulating over a large period of time, maybe 1, 2, 3 years. And then pricing and value perception, 14% of the buyers think that the value is good, and they associate the value with the performance. And now it gets more interesting here because you get some practical advices of what you can and what you should do. And it starts here from what customers praise and areas for improvement. You could clearly see that 4 people mentioned that carving and edge hold is good. Then the responsiveness is good. Value for the price is good. Mixed condition versatility, 2 people mentioned that, and you have some evidence of that here. Then areas for improvement is what people think is not so good. For example, someone doesn't like the weight of the snowboard, the stiffness to park, deep snow performance, and the steep learning curve. So this gives you exact ideas of what you can address in order to maybe reposition your product, increase the price, decrease the price, remarket it, reward it, update the description. You're already starting to get an idea of what changes you should do with your product positioning in order to get your customers satisfied. And below we're getting into the recommended action and the key insights sections. What the recommended actions are doing for you is specifically highlighting the activities you may do right now in order to improve your product sales or the customer satisfaction. For example, the first one is highlight carving and edge hold in product descriptions. It tells you what kind of impact it does, in this case medium, and the effort is low for this one, so it's not too difficult to do this, right? The metric is conversion rate, so you can keep more customers with this. The rationale: multiple reviews praise edge hold and carving ability, which are key selling points. And here you have the customer facing copy, which is basically your update to your product positioning, which is most likely a description part that you have there on your product listing. And similarly, you have another 3 suggested actions that you can do right now. Then the key insights, what it is. It's basically the key aspects that you need to take to your consideration about this product. And then it tells you also why this matters. So for example, the board excels at carving and edge hold on groomers. with 4 out of 7 reviews praising this aspect. Why it matters? This is the strongest selling point and should be front and center in the marketing. So basically, it gives you the list of things that you do definitely need to draw your attention at. And that's basically it. This is the report generated for you. You are not limited to just one report for the same product. You can generate it multiple times. So if you go back to the previous page, you can analyze it again. And let's just do it. You can see that it says that you have less than 5 new reviews added since the last time you analyzed it. But that's okay, let's analyze it again. Because in time, you can get more reviews accumulated for a product and you may wish to analyze it again. Let's trigger the other one as well. You can actually analyze them simultaneously. That's it. We can go to the history page right now and see what we have got and when. So we can view it from here. So this is analysis for another snowboard. You can see another buyer personas here, another information. Everything is different for this product. We go back. We can view any analysis that we have previously done for any product. We can see that this product has been analyzed twice, but it doesn't matter. You can do that as many times as you want. And that's pretty much it. There is a settings page as well. You can see your subscription and billing details. You can see what reviews providers you're connected to. Currently is just the Judge Me Reviews. This is the privacy policy. You can see the full version in here. Come back. Support. If you have any issues or anything, don't hesitate. Send me an email to the support email and I'm sure I'm going to address that as soon as possible. Here you can see your progress bar that is updated. You have 100 analysis quota on this subscription plan per month, and you can see that we already done 3 of them. And in the end, I just want to say, if you have any questions or difficulties, please feel free to reach me out. Please write me an email if you need any help, or if you have any feedback and suggestions, share your ideas on improvement. Thanks very much. I hope you'll find it useful.